Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Head TS6 Tennis Racket. Head TS6 Tennis Racket, a lightweight, oversized tennis racket designed for intermediate players who want more power, comfort, and easy shot-making on the court. At around $99, the TS6 delivers excellent value with premium graphite and titanium construction, making it one of the best-selling power rackets in its class. Oversized 115 square inch head creates a larger sweet spot for easier, more forgiving shots. Lightweight design at just 8.9 ounces improves maneuverability and reduces arm fatigue. Head-heavy balance adds extra power to ground strokes and serves. Durable graphite/titanium frame provides strength, stability, and vibration reduction. Extended 27.75-inch length helps generate additional reach and leverage. Pre-strung and ready to play right out of the box. Ideal for intermediate players seeking effortless power and comfort. Pros: very powerful and easy to swing. Large sweet spot increases shot consistency. Comfortable feel with reduced vibration. Great choice for recreational and intermediate players. Excellent value for the price. Cons: oversized head may reduce precision for advanced players. Head-heavy balance can feel less maneuverable at the net. Extended length may require some adjustment for beginners. Number 4. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Meet the Wilson Tour Slam Tennis Racket, a beginner-friendly racket designed to deliver power, comfort, and easy handling for recreational players. Priced at just $36.99, the Tour Slam offers excellent value for new players looking for a reliable and affordable tennis racket from a trusted brand. Oversized head provides a larger sweet spot for more forgiving shots. Volcanic frame technology increases stability and power. Power strings deliver extra punch on every swing. Lightweight design makes the racket easy to maneuver. Carbon fiber and aluminum construction balances durability and comfort. Shock-absorbing features help reduce vibration and improve feel. Pre-strung and ready to use right out of the package. Ideal for beginners and casual recreational players. Pros: very affordable price. Large sweet spot helps improve consistency. Lightweight and comfortable for beginners. Good power without requiring advanced technique. Trusted Wilson build quality. Cons: not designed for advanced or competitive players. Less control compared to higher-end performance rackets. Heavier than some premium graphite-only models. Limited customization options. Number 3. Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14 Performance Tennis Racket. Introducing the Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14, a lightweight performance tennis racket built for intermediate players who want classic pro staff control with easier maneuverability. At $139, the Pro Staff 97 ULV14 offers premium Wilson performance at a more accessible price, making it a great value for players looking to step up their game. Ultra-lightweight design at just 9.49 ounces for faster swings and improved handling. Premium graphite construction delivers excellent feel and stability. Braid 45 technology enhances pocketing and ball control. Pro Staff-inspired frame design provides precision and confidence on every shot. Strung with Wilson Sensation 16 natural strings at mid-range tension for added comfort. Headlight balance improves maneuverability at the net. Clean V14 cosmetic design gives the racket a modern professional look. Ideal for intermediate players seeking control, touch, and all-court performance. Pros: lightweight and easy to swing. Excellent control and shot placement. Comfortable feel with reduced vibration. Great maneuverability for volleys and quick reactions. Premium Pro Staff performance at a competitive price. Cons: generates less free power than heavier rackets. Smaller sweet spot than oversized beginner rackets. Advanced players may prefer a heavier Pro Staff model. Requires good technique to maximize performance. Number 2. Head Geo Speed Adult Tennis Racket. Introducing the Head Geo-Speed Tennis Racket, a lightweight and beginner-friendly racket designed to help players generate power and improve their game with confidence. Priced at just $54.99, the Geo-Speed offers excellent value with Head's trusted quality, making it a great choice for new and recreational tennis players. Lightweight 10.4-ounce design for easy handling and faster swings. Extended 27.5-inch length provides extra reach and added power. Geo Power technology optimizes the shaft geometry for improved stability and energy transfer. Durable titanium frame construction enhances strength and longevity. Graphite shaft helps deliver a comfortable feel during play. Large head size creates a forgiving sweet spot for more consistent shots. Light balance design improves maneuverability and control. Pre-strung and ready to play right out of the box. Pros. Excellent value for beginners. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Large sweet spot helps reduce mishits. Extended length adds power and reach. Durable construction from a trusted tennis brand. Cons. Not ideal for advanced or tournament-level players. Less precision than premium performance rackets. Limited spin potential compared to higher-end models. May feel slightly bulky for players who prefer compact frames. Number 1. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Rackets. Looking for an affordable tennis racket? The Wilson Tour Slam is a beginner-friendly racket designed for power, comfort, and easy playability right out of the box. At just $36.99, this racket delivers impressive value, making it one of the best budget-friendly options for recreational and casual tennis players. Lightweight design at only 0.68 pounds for easy handling. Oversized head creates a larger sweet spot for more consistent shots. Aluminum frame offers durability without adding too much weight. Carbon fiber shaft improves stability and feel. Volcanic frame technology enhances power and control. Power strings provide extra pop on ground strokes and serves. Comfortable grip size of 4¼ inches. Pre-strung and ready to play immediately. Suitable for beginners and recreational players of all skill levels. Pros. Extremely affordable price. Lightweight and beginner-friendly. Large sweet spot reduces mishits. Good power for casual play. Durable Wilson construction. Cons. Limited control for advanced players. Aluminum frame isn't as responsive as premium graphite models. Not ideal for competitive tournament play. Less spin potential than higher-end rackets. Want to check the latest price and deals on the Wilson Tour Slam? Click the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tennis gear reviews and buying guides.